Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to claim the child tax credit for 2025. If you're a parent or guardian, this could mean extra cash in your pocket to help with everyday expenses. Let's break it down step by step so you can make the most of it. First off, what's the child tax credit? It's a tax benefit from the IRS designed to support families with dependent children. For 2025, it's expected to offer up to $2,000 per qualifying child under age 17, with possible adjustments based on income levels. This credit has been a game changer for many, especially after recent updates, so keep an eye on IRS guidelines for any changes. To get started, you need to check eligibility. Generally, you must be a U.S. citizen or resident alien, have a valid social security number, and provide at least half of your child's support. Your modified adjusted gross income matters too. If it's too high, the credit might phase out. Don't worry, the IRS website has a handy tool to help you verify this. Now, let's talk about the claiming process. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll need your child's birth certificate, social security numbers for everyone involved, and proof of income like W-2 forms or 1099s. Step 2. File your federal tax return using Form 1040. Make sure to include Schedule 8812, which is specifically for the child tax credit. If you're using tax software like TurboTax, it often guides you through this. One common mistake to avoid? Forgetting to update your information if your family situation has changed, like a new job or another child. Also, watch the deadline, typically April 15, 2025, unless you get an extension. Filing early can speed up your refund. In summary, claiming the child tax credit is straightforward with the right preparation. It could save you hundreds or even thousands. If you have questions, check irs.gov or consult a tax professional. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.